Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Dominicanjitt back with another video, man. Finally, today's video we gonna finally take this exhaust off. It's gonna be a little minute. I just got everything that I needed. Yeah, I was just waiting on this servo buddy to come in. It took probably like, I'm not even sure, it took a minute to get here, but we're gonna go ahead and install this. But I'm probably just not gonna talk and do it like a time lapse, because you guys seen like hella videos already about installing and uninstalling this. So I will give you a sound comparison, but that's about it. I don't have my mic, so if you can barely hear me, that's probably why. But we're gonna go ahead and start up the bike. I've not driven it in a minute, so this is gonna be a real cold start. Let's see. And I need gas, bro. Whatever. Put this down real quick. But yeah, that's stock. I don't know why it's popping like that. I don't know if I'm tripping, but I definitely heard like a pop or two. But yeah, turn this off. We're just gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna definitely start with the servo buddy. I'm gonna just plug it in, so when I take off the exhaust and the muffler, I want to see how it sounds just with the mid pipe. But we're gonna go ahead and start by taking these off, take everything else. The servo buddy's in here. Hold on. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off, probably connect the servo buddy, take this part off, and the mid pipe, I mean the muffler, and then just turn it back on when I connect everything over here and disconnect this, and see how it sounds with just the mid pipe. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys everything. I'm gonna just probably leave the camera on, and whatever I need to show you something, I'll show you. I'm actually gonna go get gloves just so, I don't know, my hands don't get dirty. Last time I had too much grease on my shit and it didn't come off for a little bit. But this is what I was talking about, how it's like right here, tucked in, but then it goes into the bike. I might take these plates off. I'm not sure yet. I might just leave them, but I might take them off. I don't have a scale, so I don't know how to weigh it. But let me go inside, get these gloves, and then we'll start taking this off. So this what comes in the box for the exhaust. I got the GP19 exhaust for now, the slip-on. Yeah. Let's just continue taking the servo off, and then continue with everything else. I got my gloves, as you guys can see. So I just took off these two and connected the servo buddy like at the same spot that they were. So I'm gonna just turn on the bike real quick, make sure that I don't give no like error codes or no check engine light or nothing like that. Let's see. Okay, so far so good, so far so good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and continue taking off the other fairings. I'm gonna leave this like this for now, so I'm gonna probably like tie it up somehow, because I do. So I had a problem when I put my tail tidy and my light, the check engine light came on, but that's because the connections came loose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably like put a zip tie around it, or like a rubber band or anything to hold this piece together. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue taking this off. Hopefully it's not too hot. I had to cut it off because boy, that shit was not coming off no matter what I did. Damn. So, but yeah, I'm gonna try to pull that through. Start the bike right now. Should I start it? I don't want it to get too hot, so I'm gonna just start it up just a little bit to see how it sounds. Remember, I already put the servo buddy, so if you haven't installed yours yet, don't do this. Yo, that shit is loud, bro. Oh shit. I don't care what nobody say, bro. These two bolts right here, the fucking worst shit ever, bro. It literally took me like 2 hours. I took the bottom one off first, then the top one. I would honestly just say take the top one off. If you got a stance, you could probably pick up your bike and it'll be easier to take off. But bruh, that shit took forever. I literally had to like hammer in the screw. It's between a 5.5 and a 6. The 5.5 was a little bit too loose. I don't know if you guys could tell, but look how worn out it is. Even this one, like this one, I had to hammer it in just to take it out. Bro, shit took forever. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and then slip it on. So finally took this off, and bro, this shit is heavy too. So right here, you have to like kind of twist it out the way for it to come off from this. But I don't know if you guys can see, there's like a lot of shavings in there. So I'm gonna just take that off, clean it up. I don't want that going back into the exhaust or coming out the new one. I would take this rubber piece off, but I think that's necessary for the clamp to be sealed completely and no leaks or whatever. So I'm gonna just clean this up real quick. There you go. Yo, hell nah, bro. That shit is loud as fuck. Oh my god. So this one already has a lot of fingerprints. I'm gonna try it on with the baffle first, and then I'm gonna take the baffle off. Clean it real quick. I don't know if that's like oil or whatever. But nice, it's nice. And then it comes with this right here. I'm pretty sure it goes behind this and it clips on like somewhere here. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna read through it real quick and then I'll turn you guys back on when I have the full exhaust finally installed. Like I said, if you guys would like a better in detail install, just let me know and I'll go like over it. Finally got this bitch on, bro. It didn't take that long. How long it took? Just like 10 minutes. Here, you can start it up. Actually, yeah, you can start it up. Just press that bottom button. This is with the baffle, so I want to see. Damn. Press the bottom gray button.
This one?
Yeah. Hold it. That's with the baffle. It could be louder. Now rev it. Do it, bro, for the video. The other way. The other way. The other way. Keep going.
No.
Hold it. Hold the camera. Bro. Golly, boy. Golly, boy. Golly, boy. Golly, boy.
That shit hurt.
Now I gotta take this bitch off. Cause, ew. Alright, give me like 5 minutes. Take that one off. And then I'm gonna put this frame back on. I'll probably go for a ride just to see how it sounds, but let's see. So unfortunately I wasn't able to take out the baffle. I don't have like the clip, whatever. I tried, but I scratched it right there. It is what it is. The bike is put back together with the fairings. It looks way better, bro. I just need to change these plates. Probably get some carbon fiber ones or some black ones. I'll give you one last listen before I pick all this up. And if you guys want any of this or that, comment down below. If you stay in the area, I got you. Just turn it on real quick. I'm probably not gonna go for a ride just because I'm tired. I just want to chill with my baby. But I'm gonna turn it on. No check engine light. We're all good. This is with the baffle. I do want to take it off, but I'm gonna probably have to go to a store or something and take it off. Yes, sir.